Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 has officially landed, and it's ready to challenge the sleek and stylish Pixel Watch 3. Samsung's latest lineup brings a fresh Exynos W1000 processor built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, which is available in both the standard and classic versions, with the fan-favorite rotating bezel. On the other hand, Google's Pixel Watch 3 keeps its polished aesthetic, but upgrades heart rate tracking for runners, and continues to rely on the well-optimized Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip. One offers raw hardware power and versatility, while the other plays to simplicity and software support. So which one deserves your wrist? The bolder Galaxy or the smarter Pixel? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two smartwatches and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's kick things off with design and durability, because this is where the Galaxy Watch 8 and Pixel Watch 3 instantly feel worlds apart. Samsung offers a boxier design this year for the standard Watch 8, while the Watch 8 Classic keeps the premium look with a rotating bezel that's as functional as it is iconic. Both watches feel solid on the wrist, with the Galaxy lineup clearly designed to handle more physical abuse. On the other hand, the Pixel Watch 3 doubles down on style with a sleek, curved dome of glass that melts into its frame, making it visually stunning but more vulnerable to drops or scratches. Google's design may be lighter and more refined, but you'll probably want a case for real-world protection. Samsung doesn't market these as rugged watches, but their build quality and bulk definitely give them the edge in daily wear and tear. That means if you prioritize tactile control, sturdy construction, and watch sizes that offer more wrist presence, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup is the better fit. Moving on to display, this is where Samsung's Galaxy Watch 8 models take a clear technical lead. The standard 40mm and classic Watch 8 both feature 1.34-inch Super AMOLED displays with a crisp resolution of 438 by 438 pixels, while the larger 44mm version steps up to a 1.47-inch panel at 480 by 480 pixels. Regardless of the model, all variants reach an impressive 3000 nits of peak brightness, making visibility under direct sunlight a non-issue. The consistent pixel density of 327 pixels per inch across the board ensures icons and text look razor-sharp. On the other hand, the Pixel Watch 3 sticks with a smaller 1.2-inch display and its signature curved glass. It still offers solid sharpness and vibrant color, but it simply doesn't hit the same brightness levels or screen size options. So the Google's approach is clean and stylish, but Samsung's screens are better optimized for clarity and outdoor usability. So if you value screen brightness, resolution flexibility, and a more expansive display experience, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup is the superior choice. When it comes to performance and software, Samsung is clearly betting big on future-ready tech with its new Exynos W1000 chip, a 3nm processor that powers all Watch 8 models. It's a 5-core chipset focused on boosting efficiency and smooth multitasking. And even if the day-to-day difference isn't immediately obvious, this is flagship silicon designed for next-gen wearables. On the other hand, the Pixel Watch 3 keeps the same Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip as the Pixel Watch 2, but thanks to 2GB of RAM and solid software optimization, performance remains fluid and reliable. On the software front, both watches run Wear OS, but Samsung ships with the newer Wear OS 6 layered under One UI 8.0, and it comes with built-in Gemini for controlling apps and pulling quick info on demand. Google's Pixel Watch 3 starts on Wear OS 5 and is still waiting for a Gemini rollout. That means if you prioritize cutting-edge hardware, faster software integration, and an out-of-the-box smart assistant experience, the Galaxy Watch 8 puts more power on your wrist. Now let's talk about the battery life, because this is one category where the differences between these watches can really affect daily use. The Galaxy Watch 8 lineup comes in 3 battery sizes, including 325 mAh for the 40mm model, 435 for the 44mm, and 445 for the Watch 8 Classic. Real-world performance suggests these watches can comfortably last over a full day, even with features like always-on display enabled. On the other hand, the Pixel Watch 3 sticks to a flat 24-hour battery life for both the 41 and 45mm models. Despite the larger model packing a 420 mAh cell, most of that energy gets consumed by the bigger screen. Charging speeds are decent, with the 41mm model reaching 50% in just 24 minutes, but the larger version takes closer to 80 minutes for a full charge. Samsung's watches give you more size options and a bigger margin of error for heavy usage days. So if you value longer battery life, better endurance flexibility, and less frequent charging, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup comes out on top. When it comes to health and fitness, both companies take a strong swing, but their strategies are very different. Samsung goes all in with Samsung Health, offering a full suite of sensors like ECG, SpO2, skin temperature, respiratory rate, and even dual-band GPS for more accurate outdoor tracking. You also get the added usability of the rotating bezel on the Classic for navigating through health stats mid-workout. The Pixel Watch 3 takes a more streamlined approach by offloading all its health tracking to the Fitbit app. It's intuitive and simple, but lacks the same sensor depth and analytical feedback. That said, Google made real gains in heart rate accuracy, especially for runners, by improving light signal processing to better track rapid changes during workouts. Still, the lack of dual-band GPS means the Pixel might lose accuracy in dense environments like cities or forests. So if you value in-depth health data, expanded sensor support, and more precise GPS tracking, the Galaxy Watch 8 is clearly the more fitness-focused smartwatch. As for my final verdict, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup simply brings more to the table in nearly every category. From a wider variety of sizes and designs to a brighter display, more durable build, and a flagship-grade chipset, Samsung delivers a smartwatch that feels premium and forward-thinking. That being said, the Pixel Watch 3 still has a lot to offer, especially if you prefer a smaller, less obtrusive smartwatch with strong Fitbit integration and a minimalist design. It's ideal for runners who care about heart rate accuracy or users who want a clean Google ecosystem device without distractions. But in terms of value, power, and versatility, the Galaxy Watch 8 remains the better all-around option, especially for those looking to future-proof their wrist tech.